This is my mold for my rear bodywork of my Formula V. It has not had a rear bodywork on. I started to actually make this about over a year ago. It is made out of flat bar, covered in thin sheet, which I've tack welded on. Let me just try and lift it up. That's right, and get it up. Okay, that is the inside of it. You can see very thin sheet. I think it was about 0.8, and then the frame is made out of this flat bar embraced with a bit of solid round bar there. That is the roll bar end there. Just going to put it down again. Now what I did is I coated it, or put a layer of this fine fiberglass mat with resin. That was just to allow the body filler to adhere better than rather putting it on the thin plate shield sheet. And then I'm going to fill in all the imperfections with body filler. It's going to take a lot of time. You can see I've already got a hollow there, which I need to either knock out or fill it in thick with body filler or something. But that's the basic shape. This is where the carburetor will come out here, because I've only got a single side of Weber. And that just runs down the side, and this will then mate up with just behind the roll bar here. And that there too. So I'll keep on documenting this thing, and we see what it looks like in probably about a month or 2 months time once it's finished.